Welcome to our channel. If you want to watch Showtime's premium content for free through a trial membership, follow these step-by-step instructions to get started. Step 1. Decide how you want to access Showtime, either through the standalone Showtime app, through streaming platforms like Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, or Apple TV, or directly from the Showtime website. Step 2. Visit the Showtime website at showtime.com or navigate to Showtime through your preferred streaming platform's channel add-on section. Step 3. Look for promotional offers advertising free trials, which are typically available for new subscribers and usually range from 7 to 30 days depending on current promotions. Step 4. Click Try It Free or Start Your Free Trial to begin the registration process. You'll be directed to create an account or sign in to your existing streaming platform account. Step 5. If signing up directly through Showtime, create an account by entering your email address and creating a password. If adding through another platform, you'll use your existing credentials. Step 6. Provide payment information by entering your credit card or PayPal details. Your payment method won't be charged during the trial period, but it's required to continue access after the trial expires. Step 7. Review the subscription terms, which should clearly state the trial duration and the monthly fee that will be automatically charged if you don't cancel before the trial period ends. Step 8. Start streaming Showtime's library of original series, movies, documentaries, and sports content immediately. Set a calendar reminder to cancel before the trial ends if you decide not to continue with a paid subscription. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.